Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at for the Laserpecker 5. Now, many of you will probably receive a little box that looks like this, and it's going to have a few materials for you guys to get started with. Take a look at exactly what Laserpecker brings. So let's go ahead and pop this guy open, and we're just going to dump everything out here on the desk, and we'll go through each one of these one at a time. All right, so the first thing we get here is a very light piece of metal. This is most likely aluminum for cutting, for testing the cutting capability of your Laserpecker 5. You also receive some wood blanks. Let's take a look at how thick these blanks are. So this one is right at 3 millimeters. We also receive stainless steel, and the thickness of this stainless, you guys can see that, 0.041. We also get a really nice piece of real leather. That's nice. See what we have here. Here's another cardstock. I think this would be great for doing a portrait or a photo. If you do some photo engraving, I'm a photographer looking for this specific size that I could use to create photos for my client. All right, we have another piece of wood. Let's check the thickness of this wood as well. As you guys can see, it's a very thin piece of wood. That comes in the kit. Another piece of aluminum. Let's see if those are the same size. Yep, so you get 2 of those. You also receive 2 brass coins for those who are looking to do 3D reliefs. Get 2 of these. It does have significant weight to it. You get a couple of these keychains. Now these are wood and leather. Now the files that are already on the thumb drive will have a engraving pattern for this if you guys want to check that out. And you get 2 of those. They actually send you 1 stone coaster to start with. There's more of these over on Amazon and other places like that. That's why I usually buy them, probably about 24 at a time. But from Amazon, you get them a lot faster. So let me show you guys something else that I received. Now they've sent me quite a few of these sets. I think these will also be something that'll be excellent for laser engraving. They sent me a few sets of these little throwing knives, and they come in this nice little pouch like so. But let's say, for instance, you wanted to just engrave someone's initials or whatever the case it may be just on this section right here. You could do that. Or even here, you could put initials. And you could also engrave into this area here, you know, since you have that red and black theme going with these. These are really nice. These are... So those are 0.1 in thickness for these blades at the thickest point. So yeah, you know, you can find little sets of throwing knives like this for gifts for as little as, you know, $20, you know, for an entire set like this. So if you're looking for unique things to be able to engrave with your new Laserpecker 5, there's a lot of options, guys, a ton of options out there. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If so, please subscribe and hit that follow button. I will be doing a lot of videos similar to this, showing you guys the setup. So really quickly here, my studio is a little dark right now, but I'll show you guys what I have set up. So right now I have the Laserpecker 4, the Laserpecker 3 over here, and then I have the Laserpecker 5 right here next to my computer. So if you guys are interested in how-to videos to see how I'm utilizing this on a daily basis, using it for my content creation as well as creating things for my clients, my photography clients, definitely make sure you guys are following, because I will be videos like this every single week. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.